This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, 9/11. I'm James Spann. Nice, quiet, calm weather here today. Let's check some of the Skycam shots. We'll kick things off with the Chehaw Skycam. That's up at Chehaw State Park, Alabama's highest mountain. Peak elevation there is 2,407 feet. We've seen some mid-level clouds around the day, but still lots of sunshine getting through, and the low levels are dry, and temperatures are mostly in the low and mid-80s. We'll go down south. That's our Skycam in downtown Clanton in Chilton County, a partly sunny sky there. And we'll head up north. There's a look at Old Man River, as seen from the Skycam in Decatur. That, of course, is the Tennessee River on a partly sunny, warm September day. Pretty dry air mass in place all across the east. We've got an upper low over the western Gulf we'll watch, and an upper low that's over the southwest, and a trough moving down into Montana in the northern branch. So a lot of features around, but things will stay quiet through midweek. Temperatures around the nation, hottest air from West Texas up into parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Nebraska. They've got 90s up there, but around here, again, mostly low and mid-80s. Rain for the next 5 days. Not very much. This is suggesting barely enough to measure, and this is through Sunday morning, and the latest runs have definitely come in drier for Saturday. In fact, looks really dry, as you'll see in just a minute. Might be early next week before we see a decent chance of showers back in here. Tropical weather. Leslie is no more. It's basically non-tropical up in the North Atlantic. Michael is fizzling out. As you can see, there's hardly any convection there. The new system on the board is Tropical Depression 14. That's well east of the Leeward Islands, and no worries there. It is a recurver. Could it reach hurricane strength by the weekend, but that will be recurving east of the United States, even east of Bermuda. And like recent systems, it is no threat to land. Let's check modeling. You GFS fans, this is the 12Z run, valid at, let's see, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Got ridging here. And down below that, weather just not changing very much. Should be a mostly sunny day with highs in the mid-80s. Same thing Thursday, although the dew points are creeping up a little bit, but still not much. I'm looking at model output here, and you still got dew points in the 50s, so I see that green speck, but I just don't see any dynamic lift or support for rain, so partly sunny with mid-80s. Friday, got a cold front that will try and approach from the northwest, as you can see. You can see the thickness values dropping on the other side of that front, but during the day Friday, the chance of a shower looks small, and with weak upper support, we'll mention just the chance of isolated showers late Friday or Friday night, but again, for now, it looks isolated. I still think most high school stadiums will be dry, but we'll watch trends as we get closer. Now, Saturday, as we start the weekend, there's the deal. You got this bowling ball feature, the upper low that's near Windsor, Ontario, way north of here. Farther north, you got wheat troughing over Texas, and again, the model is just coming in dry. So we'll start kind of leaning in that direction and just mention a slight chance of a shower on Saturday with mid-80s, so looks pretty good for college football. Sunday, that upper feature that was west of here begins to move in, so rain chances will be going up Sunday, as you can see, if this works out. And again, the confidence is not all that high because the run-to-run consistency has not been good, but clearly on this batch of output, we need to increase the chance of rain on Sunday, and Monday of next week could be relatively wet, but really this kind of suggested might be late Sunday, Sunday night, or Monday morning. So we'll kind of fine-tune that forecast as we get closer. Hey, let's go to a week from today. This is the 18th. Ooh, look at the trough in the middle of the nation. Hey, there comes a good shot of cool air and a cold front. And again, that's Tuesday. This is Wednesday of next week. And the front kind of fizzles out, and look what happens down there. Little feature forms in the Gulf. And then that thing tries to move north. This is the 20th, and on the 21st, it kind of creeps up into the Gulf Coast region. So we'll have to watch for any sign of backyard mischief, as we often say here. And that's, I think, if we have any issues, it's going to be something that probably forms in the backyard. I know we had Isaac, but again, we'll keep an eye on that. If by chance that develops, it would just be mainly a rain producer more than likely. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 26th. Holy moly, Andy, look at that thing. What's a whopper of a trough over the east, and if that works out, got the 540 line almost down to the Tennessee border. Snow flurries down into Louisville, Kentucky on the 26th of September. Could it be? Well, probably not, but Inevitably, the model is maybe just trying to tell us the door will open for the first decent front of the season. We'll just have to wait and see. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.